Nanny of the Maroons, also known as Queen Nanny, is believed to have been born in West Africa, likely in present-day Ghana, in the late 1600s. Her exact origins are not definitively documented, but oral history and historical accounts suggest that she was of Ashanti descent, a group renowned for its strong military traditions and resistance to colonization. Nanny's beginnings. Cultural legacy. Nanny's origins in West Africa, particularly her Ashanti heritage, influenced the Maroons' culture in Jamaica. The Ashanti brought with them practices like spiritual traditions, military tactics, and community organization, all of which Nanny used to lead her people effectively. While much about Nanny's early life remains shrouded in mystery, her transformation from an enslaved African to a legendary leader reflects the resilience and determination of those who fought for freedom in the face of oppression. Nanny of the Maroons, also known as Queen Nanny, was a key leader in the Maroons' resistance against British colonial forces in Jamaica during the early 18th century. She is celebrated as a national hero in Jamaica for her role in leading her people to freedom and defending their autonomy. Nanny's role in the war against the British Empire. Nanny was the leader of the Windward Maroons, based in the Blue Mountains of eastern Jamaica. Her stronghold, known as Nanny Town, was strategically located in rugged terrain that made it difficult for British forces to attack. Nanny Town became a center for Maroon resistance. Nanny was a brilliant strategist and is credited with organizing guerrilla warfare against the British. She trained her warriors in ambush tactics, taking advantage of the dense forest and mountainous landscape to outmaneuver British soldiers. Her forces would launch surprise attacks on British troops, then retreat into the forests, where they had the advantage. She also encouraged her fighters to use psychological warfare, such as disguises and surprise assaults, to intimidate British forces. Nanny played a critical role in maintaining the autonomy of the Maroon communities. She provided leadership not only in warfare but also in preserving African cultural traditions, ensuring unity among the Maroons. Nanny was believed to have spiritual powers, which elevated her status as a leader. Stories about her supernatural abilities, such as catching bullets with her hands and invoking ancestral spirits, became part of her legend. These tales were instrumental in boosting the morale of the Maroons and fostering fear among the British. Nanny led numerous successful raids during the First Maroon War, from 1728 to 1739. Her forces frequently attacked British plantations, freeing enslaved Africans and bringing them to Maroon settlements. She is credited with helping to establish a network of Maroon communities across Jamaica, bolstering their resistance. Nanny's leadership contributed significantly to the Maroons' eventual victory in securing their autonomy through treaties with the British in 1739 and 1740. Though she reportedly died in battle in 1733, her legacy as a warrior, leader, and symbol of resistance has lived on. In 1975, Nanny was declared a national hero of Jamaica, and her image appears on the Jamaican $500 bill, often called a nanny. Nanny's story remains a powerful testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the Maroons and their fight for freedom against the British Empire. Yes, the Maroons of Jamaica successfully resisted and defeated the British Army on several occasions, leading to treaties that acknowledged their autonomy. The Maroons were descendants of enslaved Africans who escaped from plantations and formed independent communities in Jamaica's mountainous regions. Their victories against the British are remarkable examples of resistance during the colonial era. Key events. Legacy. The Maroons' ability to force the British into treaties during the First Maroon War is considered a major triumph. They created a legacy of resilience and independence, inspiring future resistance movements. Their military success against one of the most powerful empires of the time is a testament to their strategic brilliance and determination for freedom. The legacies of Nanny of the Maroons in Jamaica today are profound, as she is a symbol of resistance, resilience, and empowerment. Her contributions to the freedom of enslaved Africans and the preservation of African traditions in Jamaica are integral to the country's history and cultural identity. Here's an overview of her legacies and how she should be celebrated. Legacies of Nanny in Jamaica. How should Nanny be celebrated? Why Nanny should be celebrated, more widely celebrating. Nanny goes beyond honoring her as a historical figure. It's about recognizing the strength, resilience, and cultural identity of Jamaica itself. As a leader, freedom fighter, and cultural icon, Nanny embodies the enduring spirit of resistance and self-determination. By keeping her memory alive, Jamaicans affirm their connection to their African heritage and the ongoing fight for justice and equality.